Now see, suppose you have taken lift like this. This I am taking the lift, and here a weighing machine is placed. A man is standing here. Now, weight of the man is acting downside mg. This is the actual weight of the man. When this weight is acting on the weighing machine is giving us a reaction. This reaction is acting upward. Suppose lift is going upward with uniform acceleration a. So, we can write r minus mg is equal to m into a. Net force. So, we can write r is equal to m into a ma plus mg, and this is here m into a plus g. This r is the reaction now. If a is equal to 0, then r minus mg is equal to 0. It means the lift is at rest or the lift is moving with the uniform velocity. We can write r is equal to mg. So, if the lift has no acceleration, in that case reaction is equal to actual weight. So, this is the actual weight of the body mg, that is equal to reaction. But when the lift is moving upward with acceleration a, you are getting reaction is equal to m into a plus g, which is slightly or which is greater than the actual weight, and this r is known as apparent weight. So, when the lift goes up with uniform acceleration a, apparent weight of the man increases. Now, we can take another example here. Suppose if we take lift is accelerating downward with uniform acceleration a, then we can write net force mg minus r is equal to m into a, and we can write r is equal to m into g minus a. Now, see, r is actually less than the actual weight. So, this apparent weight of the man is less than its actual weight. But suppose if you take again here, if a is equal to g, that is a freely falling condition, then r is equal to 0. That means apparent weight will be equal to 0. This is the situation of weightlessness. So, now here we can see how does weight of a man vary with the acceleration of the lift, when it is going upward, when it is coming downward with uniform acceleration, when it is at rest, or when it is moving with the constant speed. So, here r is called apparent weight, and now we will be doing here connected motion of the bodies which are connected with the pulley and with the help of a string.